It's finally possible. It's finally possible. But you can make a music video at home using nothing but AI. You just need a couple AI tools to make up a song and make some videos. Just put it all together and you have a music video. I did just that, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. But first, here's a sneak peek at the music video that I made with AI. So for any music video, we're gonna need a song. So for this, let's head over to udio.com. This is probably one of the best AI tools that can just make realistic sounding music. And the pricing for this, there's a free version that you can try out. You get 10 credits per day. And there's the standard, which is 10 bucks a month. But try it out, it's free to start. Female lead singer, male backup singer, pop, power ballad, sounds like Wrecking Ball, a little bit of piano chords in there, and then a song about Indonesia. So let's see if AI can combine these elements. As you can see on the right, I've already tried a handful. All right, so it finished giving us our first two options here. One of them is called Echoes of Home. You can see the lyrics here. Miss the island air, the blue ocean calling me, fried rice on the street. So these lyrics, you know, they're not bad. They actually make sense somewhat. So they're not just completely random. It actually knows a little bit. It's got a little bit of rhyming. You guys get how to do this, right? Enter in the type of song, enter in what the song is about, maybe some instruments, what kind of genre, etc. And the AI will take care of the rest. Get two options and then you can just keep on extending. After generating like a handful, I've decided Echoes of Home is the one I like. All you have to do is pick the one you want and then you can just extend the song. It'll keep adding on to the existing selection. So you can add an intro or an outro, or you can add a section before or after the current selection. So you can make this a long song if you want. And the AI knows what it already did, so when it adds to it, in my experience, it's been pretty decent. A couple times the extended part didn't really fit with the existing song, but just try again. That's why it gives you two options in case it screws up. After a little bit of trial and error, I got the Echoes of Home song to be a little over 2 minutes. Here's a few seconds of the song so you know what you're in for.
I miss the island air, the blue ocean calling me.
Perfection.
This sounds like a real song, but of course we're making a whole music video. So let's generate the images next. So to generate the images, I am using DALL-E by ChatGPT. I have used Midjourney, it's really good, but I think for this, the type of theme I'm trying to go for, I'm going for a little bit of 80s, a little bit of cartoonish, a little bit of warm, maybe a little less cinematic and realistic. I think ChatGPT is gonna serve us just fine. All right, so I told ChatGPT give me an album cover. It's got that 80s album sort of look. You got the stripes, you got the Indonesian flag on there. That one's nice. That one's got the ocean view. So it made a pretty good album. All right, so with the ChatGPT, we're gonna clue it in on what the song is about before we even begin the image generation. So I'm telling it, hey, I'm making a music video. Here are the lyrics, and let's start coming up with the images that we're going to use as a starting point to make our AI generated video clips. So we're gonna try to align our storyboard images with the lyrics for the music video. All right, so we're doing some planning. Here's one of the scenes, Rice Terrace. You got the street near the beach, some street food. You got more beach pictures, some family hanging out. As you can see, they give us the Warung, which is like a little restaurant, potato sack races. It's a popular Indonesian Independence Day game. So just give me a second on this. All right, I'm back. I generated a ton of images with ChatGPT, maybe more than I even need. I want to have all the ammunition I need to make this video awesome. We got all the images. Are you ready for the real cool part? Let's turn these images into video. We're gonna use Luma Labs. This software is crazy. Check this out. Now you can get started with this with 30 generations a month for free. So if you're making a quick little video, this or that, you can do it for free. But if you want to make a full music video, you're probably gonna have to go with the $7.99 a month. All right, for our first one, I imported the palm trees picture and I typed trees blowing in the wind in the prompt. So it's just taking the image and then making it into a video. So So we wait for that to finish. We got 5 seconds there. The clouds are moving fast. The palm trees are waving in the wind. This looks realistic for sure. And now we're going to extend this video. So if you want more than 5 seconds, if you want a shot that's 10 seconds or even longer, you can just keep extending the same clip. So we're gonna extend this one. Trees blowing in the breeze. Sun goes behind the clouds, so it gets darker. All right, so I'm gonna be off to the races here. I'm gonna take all the images that I made in ChatGPT and then I'm gonna make them into videos. Then we're gonna go to the next fun part, is putting this together into an actual music video. So just give me 1 sec.
6.5 hours later.
All right guys, it's hours later. Now I'm showing you all of the videos that I generated. So we got the tug of war, we got people playing tug of war on the beach, we got a woman on the beach with the camera pan, we got some high angles of nature, we got like a drone style shot, we got someone hanging out in bed, we got a family posing for a photo under a tree, we got some other cool stuff. The theme I'm trying to go for this is where the person that misses Indonesia is like at home at the start of the music video, and then she's gonna start dreaming and thinking about it, kind of be like a metaphor, like her shadow is still there. She's not there in person, but in spirit she's there in the music video. So she's gonna kind of become a shadow character. That's what I'm going for this. So that's why here you see a shadow is holding up the shirt, or the batik it's called, and then we got a green screen shot of a shadow person standing there. So you'll see that that's why there's a shadow person. It's not because the image generation doesn't know how to make a person. Like, I thought having her as a shadow character will add a little bit of an artistic element to the story. I just wanted to have that style, and that's how I'm telling the story. Generations are really cool. We got Komodo dragons, we got some temples, we got potato sack racing, we got a drone view of this cool mosque, we got ocean waves, a lot of good stuff, a lot of good generations. Alright, so now we got all those clips generated. Let's head over to the video studio to edit this all up. Alright, so we're here in Cyberlink Power Director. I've used this software for years. It's great. You might like it too. It's easy to use, but really powerful, and they keep updating it with all kinds of cool stuff. There's AI image generation, tons of stock footage. It's totally worth it. As you can see, I already did most of the editing, and as you can see, it's not too much going on the timeline. I wanted to make it kind of simple. I didn't want to be too flashy with a ton of transitions, and I wanted to kind of show you proof of concept. I didn't want to over edit it. If I spent 2 weeks editing this, then it wouldn't be that much of AI's doing. There'd be a lot of human work. I wanted to show you, without doing too much manual work, what you can do. Now there's probably some tools that will just slap all the clips together and sync it with the music. I wanted to do a little bit of the process. We got the song here, Echoes of Home. I clipped the intro to be a little shorter and then had it kind of transition to the rest of the song, and then I have the song end a little before the outro because I just don't want to make the music video too long. 2 minutes is perfect. And then up top you can see I used AI to get the captions for the video. This song is basically like 4 counts. It's like dun 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 whoosh, and then right on that whoosh, you switch the next clip. I've done a few videos that go with the music in my day, so trying to follow that pattern. We have the video switching with the music, which is important, and we also have the video's subject matter matching the lyrics. I'm not gonna show you this whole thing, but basically this is what it looks like. Tossed a few transitions in there, and then had it fade out. AI does most of the work. AI made the song, AI made all these video clips, just little edits here and there, and we got ourselves a video. So here is the part that you have been waiting for. Let's see the completed video.
Coconut palms kissing skies, motor scooters buzzing by, laughing faces, friendly eyes catch Swiss mountain ends where the sun lies. Boring's bustling, life in the sweet, every memory, the heartbeat. Dreaming of Indonesia, in my heart it lives on. Dreaming of Indonesia, how I long to be home. I miss the island there, the blue ocean calling me. Like rays on the streets, Tropical sunsets in my dreams, guava trees and lemons lean, family gatherings, love runs deep, mango days and nights of peace. Every scent, every sound, in my heart I'll always see, Indonesia's where I long to be.
That's the video. Hey, you should go try this for yourself and let me know in the comments how it goes. And if you want to save time by letting AI do most of the hard work for you, then check out my video here where I share the 6 most useful AI tools that you can use. And if you like this video, please subscribe below so you can stay up to date with all the latest on AI.